Hello, Nevas here. I'm just about to create a brand new Google site for our classroom, and I'm doing it within the Google Apps for Education with the domain from our high school. So here I am. I'm going to press on, before I press on get started, I'm just going to look through the information that they provide. So it says you can add your team's work, whether it's a Google Doc, shared calendar, Google Map. It's simple to pull in the information that you need. That sounds exactly what we want to do. And just like Google Docs, you can edit sites in real time. It's also easy to share and manage your files from Google Drive. So mobile sites that just work. Great, that looks good. So let's get started. I'm going to press on get started. And here we are. So create a site. Oh, hang on, here it is. Create a new site. There we go. It was down the bottom right hand corner. Okay. All right. So it says use the insert menu to add content to your site. You can move content, change the size, and crop images. Next. Move things around. Wow, that sounds exciting. Let others work with you, like share, just like on Google Docs, I would imagine. Next. Publish it so others can see it. Okay, great. Now, when we do press publish, I'm just going to look at that now. Okay, so it's telling me anyone at the school can see it. Great. Okay, so cancel. Not publishing it just yet. Going to call this, maybe I want to actually call it class. Okay, great. We can even actually make this slightly longer. Yeah, that's it. Make it and pop it more in the middle. Okay. Change the image of the header type. Banner, large banner, title only. Enter the site name. Oh, we're going to have to give it a site. Okay. Okay, great. Looks good. And that's the name of the site. Now, preview, I'd like to change the image, upload or select image. Select image. Okay, let's go for something nice and bright. Does that look too hippie? Might go for something just simple. How about blue? Select. That's it. Very nice. Adjusting for readability. That looks interesting. Okay, just move this right over. Okay. Insert text box, images, upload, embed. YouTube, calendar, map, docs, slides, sheets, forms. Perfect. So move that again. Send feedback. Okay, so add a footer. Don't need to add a footer right now. This is saying preview. Let's preview it, and that's all we've got to preview. Not much to preview right now. What does it look like on a mobile, on a tablet, on a PC? Perfect. Okay, let's go out of the preview. More, send feedback, help, take a tour. Can't copy link for an unpublished site. That makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to get busy adding things to this class blog. So till the next chapter, thanks for listening.